Hello guys, welcome to Edward Masari YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to change your Facebook account name. So it's very easy to change your Facebook account name. So I will show you step by step how to change your Facebook account name. So let's get started. For the first time, you just need to open your Facebook app and click the three line buttons right corner here and go to settings and click the personal information, and here you can see the name, email, phone number, data users, identifications, manage account. So here we are going to change the name. So we just need to click here, right here, edit buttons, and here you can see name. Here we can change the name whatever you want to tag it the name. So example, I want to tag a name A, and right here Masahari. Okay, so here you can see the name is changing. So click the right here, review changes. Here is you can see the notice. Please note, if change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. Don't add any as well capitalizes, punctuations, characters, or random words. Here that means you can change before 60 days in your Facebook account name again. So don't add any unusual capitalizations and punctuations characters in your name. So click the review sense, and here you can see preview your name. So here is two options available, so you can switch anyone, which one is prefer for you. So I switch the first one, I'm sorry, and here you can see to save the settings, please enter your Facebook password. You just need to take it right here in your Facebook password. So I wanna enter my Facebook password. If you have put your Facebook password and save change, okay, you can see right here already changes the Facebook name. So go to back, refresh your apps, and click the Facebook apps, and here you can see here you can see here you can see Edward Masari. That's fine. So thank you guys, it's very easy to solve this rename in your Facebook account name. So that's all. If you like my video, so please like my video, and for more videos to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.